I have the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 and I'll be showing you how to restore the default font style. So let's say you've changed the font of your phone, as you can see, and you want the default font style. Then all you have to do is go to settings. Under settings, go to display, tap on that, and then under display, scroll down to font size and style, tap on that, and you should see font style here. If you tap on that, the first item in the list is default. So select that, and that's going to bring back the default font style. Now, in terms of size, the default font size is usually number 3. So if you come here, the third is the default, at least what I found on my own Z Fold 6. So that is basically how to restore the default font size and font style on your Galaxy Z Fold 6. Thanks for watching and good luck.